How to remove a phone number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove a phone number in Shopee. First of all, open up the Shopee.com site. Once you get into its site, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, go into your account option from here. Now scroll down in your account and you will find out phone number here. Then, tap on your phone number and click to remove it from here. But if you haven't added any phone number here, then tap to add a phone number first. After that, you will be able to remove it from your Shopee account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.